Hey, what's up, guys? This is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places. And today, I'm giving you a tour of my dad's place and the dogs going crazy. The children here. We are the youth of a nation. We are the youth of the nation. P.O.D., baby. And do remember to subscribe, give the video a like if you like it, leave comments below, and share this with other people. This is how we grow. This is how we roll on YouTube. So here we go. Let's go to the program. Okay, guys, so I'm going to give you the tour today because the other day that I made the video, it just wasn't that good. And let me just walk barefoot. It's better for the body, the health of the body, and the energy. Now, these two houses belong to my dad. I live here. My dad is not here right now. He's in Canada. And I'm taking care of this until I leave. So you gotta watch out. I don't step on doggy poop here. So these are the girls on that side, and the other pups and the other dogs are sleeping over there. And I think two pups are over here somewhere. So let's go. A little brief tour of that house I was working on the roof, just a makeshift thing there. We were stepping on the mud here, mud, but it's because I'm sweaty. So I gotta take a shower later on. And I got my hair all messed up because I had a hat on in order to avoid getting dirty when I was working with the roof. Here's Cirillo. That's Cirillo. Hey buddy, he's a puppy. He's about 8 months old. And the property, that's another pup. The one with the yellow scar, handkerchief, she's not a pup. She's an adult. And the white one there, the Australian Shepherd, that's Venus. She's an adult, and the rest are pups. She's a puppy. She's a puppy. The other one is running up that way, is a puppy. And now the other ones are coming this way. They woke up. There's Max, Martina, Kayla, Elena, Cirillo. I wonder where the other one is, the other pup. She's somewhere. And this is a little makeshift kitchen that people here, my dad's family or him, will use to make chorizos and whatever. And the property goes beyond this. We just had this fenced. My dad, his money, we had this fenced so the dogs could run around really freely, and we wouldn't worry. And it goes all the way down to where you got those other edifications there on the other side right there. We up to that part. That's not my dad's, and it goes down that way. Just I keep this locked because closed so that the doggies or the puppies especially won't go off and wander off. That's the neighbor's property there. Those are his horses, not our horses. Hey horsies, how are you? Ouch. I love walking with my bare feet. Look at them horses there. Those are the neighbor's horses. And then the neighbor has cows right down there. And the highway is all the way down there. This is a little valley, a pass, like a pass between the Aburra Valley and the San Nicolas Valley. So I'm giving you this tour because some of you asked for it and wanted to see the doggies, especially Escape with VJ. You guys had asked for it. Vibhuti, the woman, the wife, and Jesu, the husband, all the way there in Delhi, India. A shout out to you guys. Aap kaise hai? Theek hai? So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I saw your vlog today, Vibhuti's, about her daily routine in terms of work. I was gonna do one, but this is a Sunday, so I gotta wait for the real stuff. So these are the doggies. Oh, there goes the other pup. Hey! Hey, little girl. This is the other puppy. I rescued her from town. And they're all my dad's company when he gets here. Because soon, I will be leaving soon. And it's a surprise for most people, but a few people know where I'm going. Just a few. And so these are all the doggies here. Look at them. Right there. And the day's getting better. These are not oranges. These are not oranges. They're called bitter oranges. Naranja agria. They're not sweet oranges. They're bitter. And they use them for medicinal purposes. I just don't remember what. And then we have some other little stuff here. Let's go see what else we can see quickly before I finish this tour. And my dad's property goes up until where the swings are. Right there, that's the other part. Right past the swings, we have the other fence. And my dad's just waiting to get more money so he can have the rest of the property fenced down, which it goes down. It's another like half a block. This is like 3,000 square meters total. 3,000 square meters. So it's a quarter of a block. These are more of these other type of oranges. They're not sweet, they're bitter. And there's a tangerine tree, a little small tangerine tree. It's right there, but right now it doesn't have many tangerines, just a few. But you can see one right there, they're little miniature tangerines. There goes one miniature tangerines, they're not big ones. And sometimes we pick them, sometimes we don't. And let's see a little bit more. What else can I show you guys? This is a níspero tree. They bear a special fruit that is very good for your kidney stones. So you don't get kidney stones, even the bees love them. You see it right there, the bees. And that's the fruit, níspero. And the leaves, I use the leaves like this part. I did a concoction or a tea, and I'm gonna drink in a few moments. I drink about 2 liters of it, 2.5 liters. And it cleans out my kidneys and all the little calcium buildup that causes kidney stones. And I'm doing that so that I don't have any problems when I go to my next destination in the world. Right now I've been in Colombia for 2 years. I haven't traveled outside of Colombia. I was going to, but then you know what happened came and happened. This is a curacao bush, a big bush, curacao. They call it curacao, like the island off the coast of Venezuela. And it has this purplish, reddish, violet, I don't know, color. It's beautiful. And it's usually in bloom. And this is the other tangerine tree right over here, but it has basically no tangerines. It bore fruit like 3 months ago, so it's got just 1 or 2 or 3 here and there, but it had a lot of them before. The other little tangerine. And that's the lemon tangerine tree over there. And I used to live in that house until I moved into the big house and to the better house. Hey baby girl, she's saying hello. Hey sweetie, how are you? So these are the kids, and this is another pup. She's 10 months old about, and she's a half Belgian Shepherd, half black Labrador. And yeah, they're all around chilling. It's a big pine tree. And here are my slippers or flip-flops, whatever you want to call them. And this is my dad's house, and it's a little messy right now. Some old stuff. It's an old house. Needs a lot of love. TLC, tender loving care, in terms of money to invest in it. We already did. So we did work on the roof. I mean, we paid contractors. This is new. The fencing, the whole fencing, the perimeter, not this internal one, not the garage one right there, but all that other part where the black part is, we changed all of that, and we put up a fence. And because it didn't have a fence, it was just an old barbed wire type of thing with old stuff, but we changed all that, and we got this fenced in and all that, so that way my dad would have better security. And we had this gutter, this rainstorm gutter put in, so that way the water could come out and would continue splashing on the wall there and causing humidity, because that's why we have that humidity problem inside the house. Ain't that right, Cirilo? And I cut the grass the other day, but I haven't been able to rake this, because to rake it when it's wet is impossible. Look at this, doesn't this look like a lotus flower? But it's a plant. It's not a flower, but it looks like a lotus flower. They're beautiful. Wow. And there's one that looks like a shoe. Where is it? Let's see if we got any. This is another one that looks like a lotus flower. It's beautiful. I don't know what they're called. Oh, the shoe ones are not in bloom right now. They grow on these things here, and they look like a shoe. But it's not here right now. And there they go, getting cranky wanky. And yeah, and this is my dad's place, and this is the inside. It's a little mess right now because they always make it a mess. I can sweep and mop this, and that's what I told you. That's the problem right there with the humidity. And my dad, when he comes this way in 2 months, 2.5 months, he's gonna get some more work done on it. I just don't want any more people in here. So this is his house, high roof, the kitchen there, and 2 bathrooms. 3 bedrooms, and that's it. And the place over there where the laundry machine is, washing machine right over here, and we can hang our clothing to dry there or on the fence. No biggie, it's all good. And that's the washing machine here, or we hang some clothing there. Well, you saw my boxers, big deal. Okay guys, take care, hope you liked it. Stay tuned for another vlog, another video every day, coming out every day. And remember to subscribe down below. Give the video a like if you liked it, if you like the doggies. If you have any questions, do you love dogs? Tell me, why do you love dogs? Leave your answers down. Why do you love dogs? If you do, if you don't, then why don't you? Leave your answers down there, and take care. Until next time. And we forgot to say that, remember, every day I'm uploading a new video. and they are here to support me. The little boy and the little girl, there they are. So every day, tomorrow, another vlog.